recount the mystery of his birth. The middle wall is raised, an entrance now is free, for cherubim with sword of flame no longer guard the tree. O paradise restored, now I shall enter in, and taste the bliss from which I fell through Adam's mortal sin. For Christ the Father's Son, who God's true image bore, a virgin born in low estate, our human nature wore.